This ain't QualityStocks. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd, 2010, and today we're going to take a look at UTSI Inc. This is a NASDAQ Global Select stock, trading our ticker UTSI. Very interesting chart. See 203,000 shares traded, closed just under $2. Had a nice uptrend through here that was broken at the end of October. It's just holding a nice support level right around this area. So I want to take a look at this and see if there's a possibility it's going to try and move north again and come up here and test these moving averages. Quick look shows a little bit of just kind of neutral indicators. Overall, seeing a little bit of uptrend in the histogram, while that price per share is trending down. MACD is kind of flat line. Looks like we're getting a bullish cross, though, of the signal line. Same look to the PPO. The ADX is kind of in a neutral position as well. That negative DI being on top a lot of times is a nice positioning for a reversal. But given the fact that it's actually down kind of low around 20, the possibility of a reversal is not as great. When it's up higher like this at 40, 45 or higher, it tends to facilitate a move a little bit easier. Right around this area, it's all kind of running pretty neutral right now for this chart. Getting some mixed signals with the MFI as well. 14 and 21 kind of channeling sideways, while the 7 just broke up through them because of some recent buying pressure. The 7 moves a lot quicker. Came through, did a little slingshot right through them at this point. It'd be something to keep an eye on because the 14 and 21 will catch up over the matter of a few days when that buying pressure gets factored back into it. Accumulation distribution, would like to see it hold that level right through there. Kind of broke through it, but looks like it's starting to put a little curl to it. Jake and money flow showing that selling pressure is still dominant at this point. Then again, when you look at something like the CCI and getting a little bit of mixed signal, nice uptrend holding above negative 100. Full stow trying to come off the bottom. Looks like it's going to try and break through 20. Trick's kind of still in a middle road. Can't really put it's not truly a valley yet, so I can't really draw the trend line. What I'm looking for is a bullish cross of the signal line right through there, continuing the uptrend towards 0 and trying to establish a channel. RSIs look like they're getting ready to take another shot at 50. You can see through here. Just trending right along. It couldn't pop through it, couldn't pop through it. Eventually gave way. Some selling pressure came on. That's what shot a lot of the indicators down, was those 3 days right there. Put a good dip to it. Now it looks like they're all trying to move north again. So the indicators, I have to say, are very neutral, a little bit mixed at this point, to say the least, which brings you to the support level of what you want to see hold. Volume was pretty thin yesterday. Of course, we're a couple days before Christmas. And with each day we get closer, there's a pretty good chance that volume is going to continue to stay low as traders are taking some time off. That support level is going to have to hold. And look for that trend line right there to fall. That support, again, is critical. Closing just under $2. Keeps a very tight stop loss right there around $1.90. If it starts to make a move north, we'll look for that trend line to fall, that 20-day moving average to be crossed. We'll meet a little bit of resistance right through that area around 207. Certainly going to be a lot stronger when it gets up near 222. Couldn't move through it through all of November into the beginning of December. We'll have to break through the 50-day moving average. 10% move to get up to that. I think it's worth keeping on radar because if it does penetrate 220, you can see it's a strong resistance area. If it can hold this support, make a move north, let these indicators make their turns and turn bullish, that the upside level is more up in that area, which then you're talking about a 30% move, very significant. So I put charts like this on radar, not to say I expect it to go to $2.60, but it's worth keeping on watch to see if it holds this level. Because if it does, because the indicators are aligned the way that they are while still maintaining kind of neutral look, getting some hints from some of the momentum indicators that this chart might be trying to turn. So it lives and dies by holding that support, getting some more buying pressure, making a move north, breaking a trend line, going up testing resistance, those sort of things that I just touched on. So it's a little bit different of a chart than we typically look at, but I think it's one that's worth keeping on watch, and I will certainly have it on radar. As always, video chart is merely my interpretation. This ain't QualityStocks. Thanks for watching and trade smart.